Well, a month ahead of the Mahakumbh, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting Prayagraj today. During his 3-hour visit to the city, the Prime Minister will participate in the puja at the Sangam, the famous Hanuman Mandir and Saraswati Koop. He will also be launching several development projects worth over 6,600 crores, and most of the development projects that are related to road and temple corridors, with a focus on prominent sites, including when it comes to the Shringvepur Dham that finds itself mentioned when it comes to in the Ramayana as the kingdom of Nishad Raj, as the king of the fishermen. Now, these are the developments that we are focusing on as far as today's Prime Minister's visit is concerned.
Well, the Prime Minister will in fact be in Prayagraj today to formally inaugurate Mahakumbh 2025 and review the preparedness for this sacred gathering. Mahakumbh happens once every 12 years, and this time it will be from January 13th till February 26th of 2025, and hence just a month before that, on December 13th, 2024, Prime Minister will be in Prayagraj and he will be formally inaugurating Mahakumbh 2025, and at the heart of his itinerary lies the focus on tradition and also development. So he will start his day at 12:15 p.m. In the afternoon, and he will first do a puja at Sangam right here. The second puja, as we are learning, will be at 12:40 at Akshay Vata Vriksh. The third, the puja and darshan will be at a very famous Hanuman Mandir, which is quite close by, and also the Saraswati Koop. But it is not just about the religion, it is also about the development of this region, and hence Prime Minister will be inaugurating and launching projects worth 6,670 crores is what we are learning. He'll also inaugurate several temple corridors, including the Hanuman Mandir temple corridor, which the state government believes will increase the influx of tourists and the saints and other Hindu devotees in this region. So a lot of things are lined up today with the formal inauguration of Mahakumbh 2025, a day all the Hindu devotees were waiting for.
So even when it comes to speaking several devotees to understand how the facilities at this Mahakumbh are better than the previous one that was in 2012, and of course when it comes to the slew of development projects the Prime Minister would be inaugurating.
Well, I'm joined by a person who has come from Jammu, who has also seen the Mahakumbh 2012, and now he has come for Mahakumbh 2025 here. Let me go across and talk to him. आपने 2012 का महाकुंभ देखा है, ये वाले और उस वाले में क्या डिफरेंस है? आपको लगा है थोड़ा सा इसमें सुधार हुआ है? इसमें
पहले भी सुविधा थी, लेकिन पहले के कंपेयर में अभी देखा जाए तो अभी उससे ज्यादा 100% ज्यादा उसमें सुविधा हमको देखने को मिला है अभी तक।
2012 से अब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, जो वो परिवर्तन नहीं था जो अब 100% हो रहा है। पहले मैं आया कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, बहुत कुछ नहीं, अब बहुत
लग रहा है,
अब ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे स्वर्ग आ गया हुए।
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। हम जब से देख के गए हैं लगभग 5-6 बार आ चुके हैं अभी तक। अब ये सोच लीजिए, इससे अंदाजा आप लगा सकते हैं कि कितना अच्छा लग रहा है दिल को।
2012 से काफी भव्य है, क्योंकि इस बार बजट में ही 2500 करोड़ रुपए केवल महाकुंभ के लिए अलॉट हुआ है, तो इसकी वजह से वास्तव में मतलब धरातल पे वो चीजें दिख रही हैं। पूरा शहर हम तो देख रहे हैं, हम तो यहीं के हैं, शहर की रोडें और वहाँ के सारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सब कुछ बदल गया है। अभी हम लोग आ रहे हैं तो अक्सर आ जाते हैं, शाम सुबह कभी भी आ जाते हैं। काफी अच्छा है, बहुत अलग है पिछली बार से, 2012 से बहुत ज्यादा अलग है इस बार का महाकुंभ।
Akansha is joining us live from Prayagraj. Good morning to you, Akansha. Of course, the Prime Minister will be inaugurating a range of projects, including those which are related to railways, airport, irrigation, road development and beautification of the ghats. But all the more important would be his visit today, which will actually set the stage for the upcoming Mahakumbh.
Well, absolutely, Amita, just a month ahead of Mahakumbh 2025, Prime Minister will be in the holy city of Prayagraj and will be formally inaugurating Mahakumbh 2025. So let me just show you around. In just another 5 hours, Prime Minister will be here. And firstly, in fact, as I was telling you, at 12:15, he will be doing a puja and darshan at Sangam. He'll take a holy dip there, and then he will proceed towards Akshay Vata Vriksh and then to Bade Hanuman Mandir. All the key and prominent areas are here, and after that he'll come right here and address the public gathering here. A lot of people have in fact come to Prayagraj to listen to the Prime Minister today, because he will be formally inaugurating Mahakumbh 2025, a day everyone has been waiting for. So just let me try and show you around this area. As you can see slightly that tents have been put up here for the devotees who are in fact going to throng to Prayagraj in just another month. Security has in fact been heightened just ahead of the visit of the Prime Minister. So a lot is lined up for the day. Amita, as you also pointed out, this is not just about religion, this is also about development. So he'll also be inaugurating slew of developmental projects here worth 6,670 crore rupees. Which also includes major temple corridors, including the one near to this place, which is the Hanuman Mandir corridor. Amita, I was here just 10 months ago, and this area has in fact completely changed. There's a new Hanuman Mandir corridor. Once you enter, there's Hanuman Mandir, then Akshay Vata Vriksh, and right there, when you take left, there is Sangam area, where the Prime Minister is going to come today, inaugurate the temple corridor as well, take a holy dip, and formally inaugurate the Kumbh 2025.
All right. As Kancha has been getting us those live updates, and at the very same menu that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to be there. If we talk about the Kumbh Mela, which is organized every 3 years, the Ardh Kumbh Mela every 6 years, and the Mahakumbh Mela that comes after every 12 years. So Times Now also visited the Akshay Vata Vriksh, one of the stops that the Prime Minister will be performing today's puja.
Well, behind me you can see Akshay Vata Vriksh, where Prime Minister will be coming. What we're learning is around 12:40 for puja and darshan here. So let me go across and speak to a man who has come all the way from England to Prayagraj for darshan. मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूंगी. Firstly, could you tell us about the relevance of Akshay Vata Vriksh, because the Prime Minister is going to come here?
The relevance, as the scriptures say, it is because the Brahma himself planted the tree, Akshavat. And whoever dies here will get salvation. And as a result, a lot of people used to kill themselves or commit suicide in that the well. It became so full that there was so many dead bodies to the brim. And then Akbar or some of his disciples closed the well forever. Now the Akshavat is now thought to be planted by Brahma itself, and the belief is that if you do a parikrama around Akshavat, you're doing a parikrama of the whole Brahmand, and that is as good as anything.
So you've come to Prayagraj, and Mahakumbh is in just another 1 month, exactly 1 month in fact. How do you look at the arrangements, the preparations that have been done here?
Everything looks so fantastic. It is actually very, very nice, much nicer than we can see in the movies and the pictures, and today actually looks very, very nice, and we had a very good darshan.
Thank you for speaking with us. So behind me, as I told you, this is Akshay Vata Vriksh, and right there is Hanuman Mandir, where the Prime Minister is going to come tomorrow for puja and darshan. He will be here in Prayagraj for 3.5 hours, wherein firstly he'll go to Sangam and then come here at Akshay Vata Vriksh and then to Hanuman Mandir.
All right, we'll be keeping our viewers, we'll be on standby as far as we'll be getting our viewers all the live updates from Prayagraj. Let's in the meantime